Bro, make we watch this video together. Oh yeah.
I am so happy that when I was coming here, I saw a lot of people, they were happy, they were laughing. And I said to my security, is this not the state of emergency? They say, no, that is not the people that is on emergency. That is the governor. I say, wow. Today I stand before you all to assure that I know a lot of you are saying, yes, so we he doesn't want to leave him. They say he's very stubborn. No, you need it. Yes, so he is a performing minister. Nigerian lacks compliance. Period. A lot of you were saying, don't worry, the way he's working, he will soon go down, he's drinking and he's still there. You know, some of you, not like you really like me, as a leader, everyone must not like you. And that was why when I was coming into power, they say, leave him, he will soon die. I'm here. Between me and you, who is dying now? We are not in a hurry to go anywhere. 2027 will still be here. Once come to once, you do your passport, you leave. And create space for others to come. I would like to take few questions. Just a few. So that we can know what to do that will make River State better. Pempi was telling me, Mr. President, people are complaining that things are hard, times are tough. They can't buy my table ticket. And I told him, Pempi, let the poor breathe. Don't suffocate them. We have that responsibility. No matter how we help the poor, they will still be in our midst, like some of you here. Before you leave from this event, do well to remember that the federal government is paying in some money to the accounts of youth. Drop your NIN and BVN. Thank you. Before you leave, we'll just take a few questions. You help me, you give them the mic, and that's all. So, let's start with the first question for now.
His Excellency, please, I want to ask, poverty is ravaging.
No, I am here. You address me as Your Excellency.
Your Excellency.
That's very good.
Okay. Poverty is ravaging the society.
Can you speak? You're going through a lot and you're having pride. I'm talking and everybody is helping me. You that I want to help is for me. It's like you want us to increase.
Okay. His Excellency. Yes, poverty is ravaging the society. What measures?
The society or you?
do you and your team have in place to ameliorate this situation?
Anyways, a round of applause for him. Next question. We are not attending to poor people now.
Your Excellency, I have been a Nigerian for quite a long time now.
Quite a long time.
Yeah.
Where were you before?
I said I've been a Nigerian.
As you said you have been for quite a long time. I said, where have you been before?
Your Excellency,
You'd have not left. What's the name of this park here? Rumokora. What's it called? Go ahead.
Yeah, Your Excellency, some as a legal ruminant in Nigeria,
A legal what? As a legal what? Pronounce it again. So that you don't confuse me and confuse them.
Allow me ask my question, Mr. President. We've noticed that you've not been working with the Constitution, and the removal of our dear governor is unconstitutional, and the Bar Association too called the presidency to order, and up to now nothing has been done about it.
I want to ask you one question. Are you aware that Constitution can be amended? We amended it. It's you that is not aware.
As far as I know,
next question, please.
Constitution has not been amended. As far as I know.
As far as you know, does not matter.
Next.
What you know is in your pocket.
Next.
Your Excellency, sir, we are having issues with the lights. You are about to remove the lights subsidy. Why is that, sir?
I already said it. That when I come into power, you have light for 24 hours. Since I entered power till now, it's no more than 24 hours. True or false?
Your Excellency, boss of all bosses. Okay, just one question. Why do you not have sense? I beg. We all want to know.
Are you done?
Yes, sir.
It's not difficult to know a lady that doesn't have a good upbringing. and secondly, a lot of things some of you don't know is that when you go outside to protest and say, we no go, these are the people that spoil the protest. Reasons being that they don't even know why they are there, what they are doing there, what to ask, and what to answer. When the press pass the microphone to them, I say, so what do you have to say about the protest? How is it going? We no go agree. They don't have sense. Protests always have a target. And that is why when people try to hijack protests from the hands of the people, they try to employ the powers of the ingrates and street talks to hijack it by stealing, causing riots amongst themselves, and fighting each other. And this is one of them. But that is by the way. Nigerians, River State, Port Harcourt. It was nice having me, and I enjoyed myself. I see a lot of my friends. I see a big name in the industry. Clean the Drunk, I see Danny Spry, Baba Funky, a lot of you too. Selena Tested, Tallest, you are here too. That is good. I see Amdex Property. You have been pressing your phone since I came here. You're showing me your head. It's fine. I like it too. Amrex, more blessings. God bless you. Thank you.
Let's continue, yeah? Let's watch this video.
Ichian say this life man has gone. Now na see president, it's time for una no beat them. Una no kill them. In tough una real mumu question. Aya barrister stand up zembi imbi reka rumi nani. They ask him, what do you say? Barrister cannot do again. Una see am now, I don't want more. Every time, if you are catching away, if you are catching, you are seeing him now. Una don't know if una do this Tinubu when I see something, go affect the main person. Go affect them. Kill them face. As he kill, I figure he kill them. He affect your right person. In come here, they do that, they do that. The man will receive force. He shake, they see him say they shake. This is a shaking man. Who say, oh yeah, the family enter. You know, if I even last. He don't strong. I even just say they do threesome. They do. Men are strong. The man they do for a man. Wickedness. But by this time, no rush. Oh. Anything they take, no rush. My friend will rush go marry now last week. This week now, father-in-law run there. They run there and say, we can bring one cow. Say, marry first daughter. Say, marry first daughter and go bring one cow. And they come bring. I never asked for a marriage. I never reach 1 month. I say, go bring them. We were single teacher that be for you. We were single with a face for all the married person. See my friend now and his bride. He go marry. I know say that his bride. This hand short. The other one long. Then tell and say, in wife tell him for us, touch my nipple. Then his bride carry and go. Go they touch that. Be saying they touch you. Now the wife tell her, no, my nipple be done. Now my nothing. No pray, pray. See, just the pray iron breaker. You're the pray iron breaker. No, I don't happy here. Go they happy. That is why I marry. They tell us and say one advise us how to marry. See person. No, the thing they see, I hate anybody, anything one of I achieve. You will achieve I hate you. I hate you with the depth of my heart. Children is bright now. They happy say them. Women when they marry something no. No, una came man. Women came man. I see one woman marry police. If they marry police, that somebody stand for road. He did back. He do that. He give her money. He go. You came. Wait. In your marriage, how do you go? You know they wake up for night looking face. Back. Una they marry women. Me. My next word. It be that I could become woman. Because, you know, she, my brother, you get the kind of money your follow man go give you. The woman in you will come out. My father, wait, I'm rest property. When I done, I go say I don't do. That I've cracked, I mean, you can't now. You know, far move. You the word. Say God. I go soon share. Once I share Aaron man. You go no say I no be your mate. You know they had us for this protocol. Everybody got this. Me we go here in court. What do you mean I come out for court? Because all of them they forget something quick. I don't know what happened. You mean me today? Say I will call you. I tell you who call me. Tomorrow you see me. I will call you. You forget the who call you what day yesterday? No, the day where you're in court. I'm red. I'm red proper. See. Baba money they don't pass you on. Now what you make a now anytime I look Bobrisky now I know the verse for her. Now man give her money now and say, Tom, what am I becoming a man for? What am I becoming a man for? Let me change him become woman. You know they see him? Mommy of records. That time when be Iris, they looking like a Bukari. Baba, no wrong. This life. I'm not, you don't finish having a wife, they control you. Mara. You is the armrest, you're the property. And we are the surveillance. Who do that shit?
Give and sign.
I don't. Who talk give and sign? When I ask question, I know brand new this work. If you look me, you know say I wanted to be a rock door. Look me now, white are the way we are rock door. For a day person, lie down. I put injection. But Nigeria change me. Only my brother and I know achieve it in 1B. He say 1B pirate. I hear the record and which the arrow pilot we there now pilot now for courtism. But pilot na pilot. The day where I join court, as I join court finish, I stand up begin waka like this. My pilot say, alright, now my waka be that. I turn this and do like this. Point one say I own it. Now like this I hang. Now like this they won't keep it.
Let's continue, yeah? Let's watch this video.
People they wonder why I name this event Laugh and Bone. Why I call this show Laugh and Bone? On I go they laugh, I go they bone. You know why? 1 month to this show. Oh God, to never be well with you. 1 month to this show, I experienced heartbreak. I no talker, nobody know. Only Mavis and my manager know. I can't say no. I will title this show Laugh and Bone. People go they laugh, but they don't know how they bone for my mind. It gets man go show you care and support. You go they resemble human for your eye. I can't develop feelings for Mavis. Mavis was like more than a friend. I can't say, you should say this boy name Mavis. I've been a Jarvis. He's supposed to answer Jarvis. He get that when manager say, my manager go call me. My manager name is Dane. My manager come they call me. Say come. I can say this Dane. He should say no be Daniela. He can't go be Dane because the way my manager was coming through for me. Oh, Hamres Properties. Hamres. Mikasa. Hamres, I don't know how we want to test strangers. How we want to tell people they live for River State, Ikwere land. Say, no be all Ikwere people be landlord. No be all Ikwere people be landlord. Like me now, I no be landlord, I no get land. Nobody they pay house rent for my house. See landlord they here. See landlord they here. And please, I tell people, you see all this trend where they happen now. All this trend where they happen now. You get one trend where they now. Super poor. We guys they do. Super poor. Another trend. How is done? Super poor. Super poor. That trend where they now. One girl they do amo. The girl just set TikTok camera, set ring light. As she did, they do the thing. Now in Gina Bra just come. She just set TikTok. When she do normal thing. The Gina Bra just rush come. Cause say super poor. Now she say poor. This small boy they say super poor. She say poor. This small boy they say super poor. She say poor. You know say she no say the small boy they talk say soup we poor. Say soup don't pour. She thinks say they super poor. He wants to drinking gari. At the time, you get one of my friends. I don't know whether they are go sweet. I quite bon boy. I don't know how go sweet they are. Thank God say that boy no be human. If they say that boy is a human, by 9 for not finish or embrace me, kiss and drink gari finish. That boy they drink gari. Amres, good to see you. Amres, you know say this thing where they talk love and affection, na money. And I know say that love and affection na money. If you like, Kia, do affect, you no get money. See, man, tell you, if you no get money, if you like, speak Queen's English, speak British English, it sound like broken for ear. I saw one guy, they follow one guy, they talk. I need a guy that I can build with. I need a guy that we can grow together. I know these things where boys they take it. I need a guy that I can grow together with. I need a guy that I can build with. And they tell the guy, take it say, the guy go come tell him, oh, we can grow together, we can build together. I send they tell him, I need the guy forward a number. The number waiting there right now. Hamres Property Limited. He say if you find who you go build with Hamres. Hamres. He said last week. I know be Hamres one, I know be this.
All right. Ivani. Okay. Now go tell us, drop him in the chat. This guy not funny. Play more of their performance. But you feel it. You don't want me to play again. Drop, so I cannot play again. I don't tire. Remember, Mr. Ficus here. Peace.